Hello, and welcome to our tutorial on understanding your BrainHost invoice. When you sign up for web hosting from BrainHost, you'll be sent a courtesy copy of your invoice, showing you what you've been charged. This is not a bill. You've already been charged. This is simply a copy of your invoice that you can keep for your own records. In this tutorial, we'll review your initial invoice and help you understand your charges. Now let's take a look at what your invoice will look like. Now please note, your invoice may not look exactly like the invoice in this example, but it should have the same basic components. Notice that where it says total current charges, the amount is 0. This is because your credit card has already been charged. Again, this is only a courtesy copy of your invoice for you to keep for your records, not an actual bill. Now note here, if your payment did not go through for some reason, you will see a dollar amount there instead of 0. You must pay this amount to avoid account suspension. Now let's identify what each individual charge is. Scroll down to the part of the invoice that says Current Charges. This is where you'll see your individual charges listed. In this example, you see two charges, BrainHost Unlimited Special Package for $166.80 and Core Domain for $14.95. The BrainHost Unlimited Special Package is the actual hosting plan. In this example, the person purchased a 2-year hosting plan for a total of $166.80. A note about billing. BrainHost offers several hosting plan packages, broken down as follows. The first one is a monthly plan at $9.95 a month, billed monthly. The second one is a 6-month plan at $8.95 a month, which equals $53.70 billed every 6 months. A 1-year plan, which is $7.95 a month, equals $95.40 billed every year. A 2-year plan at $6.95 a month equals $166.80 billed every 2 years. A 3-year plan at $5.95 a month equals $214.20 billed every 3 years. A 4-year plan at $4.95 a month equals $237.60 billed every 4 years. You will be billed the full amount of your plan at the time of purchase, not the monthly rate. For example, if you choose the 1-year plan, you will be billed at $95.40 at the time of purchase, not $7.95. You will then not be billed again for your hosting plan for another year. If you choose a 2-year plan, you will be billed at $166.80 at the time of purchase, not $6.95. You will not be billed again for your hosting plan for another 2 years. The monthly pricing display is simply to show you a breakdown of the cost per month. You will be billed the full amount of your plan at the time of purchase, not the monthly rate. The core domain is the domain registration fee, which is $14.95. This registers your domain to you for 1 year. According to the ICANN law, you will still retain ownership of your domain name for 1 full year regardless of whether or not you keep your hosting plan with BrainHost. For this reason, the domain registration fee is non-refundable, as is stated in our terms of service, which you can find at http://www.brainhost.com/terms-of-service. Under the date range box, you can see how long your service will last for. You will be charged for this service automatically whenever it is set to renew. If you purchase upgrades and extras. If you purchased any upgrades or add-on services for your hosting plan or domain, such as domain privacy, search engine submission, etc., you will receive a separate invoice for those purchases. Here is an example of such an invoice. Again, this is a courtesy copy of your invoice, not an actual bill, so your total current charges will show 0, unless your payment did not go through, in which case you will see a dollar amount there that you must pay in order to avoid account suspension. In the current charges box, you will see your domain name listed where it says core. There will not be a charge for your domain name since you've already purchased it. Under your domain name, you will see additional services or any extras that you purchased, along with the charges for those services. In this example, the person purchased domain privacy for a cost of $9.95 per year. Under the date range box, you can see how long your service will last for. You will be charged again for this service automatically whenever it is set to renew. If you purchase through a special promotion. If you purchase a hosting plan from BrainHost through a special promotion that entitles you to a discount of any nature, you will receive an invoice similar to this example. Again, unless your payment did not go through, you will see 0 next to the total current charges. Because this is a courtesy copy of your invoice for your records, not an actual bill, your credit card has already been charged. Notice that where it says current charges, you will see the total amount you would have been billed as if you had not gotten a discount through whatever special promotion you came through. However, This is not the actual amount that you were charged. Where it says account credits, it will show a dollar amount in parentheses. This is the amount that was taken off your bill for the promotion. Where it says amount charged to credit card, it will show another dollar amount in parentheses. This is the actual amount that you were charged. And the rest of your invoice will be the same as a typical invoice from BrainHost. And that concludes our tutorial on understanding your BrainHost invoice.